This is WVTM 13. Breaking news is happening right now.
And right now, Birmingham fire and rescue crews are on the scene after a tree falling on a car.
This comes after a brutal day of winter weather. WVTM 13's Bryce Oslin got to the scene just moments ago. Bryce, what can you tell us?
Yeah, guys, right now I'm on 8th Avenue North and 40th Street in Birmingham. If you look behind me, it's a pretty active scene here. We were told that this tree fell on top of this car while a person was inside, and that person was trapped in for a few moments. It appears that no one is in this car at this time. We just saw this tow truck pull up not too long ago. They're now about to put this car on top of the tow truck and get it out of the street. And behind this, I believe that the Birmingham Police Department is also on the scene, clearing traffic and making sure that people don't come on this street. Again, at this time, it appears that no one is in this car and crews are working to clear the roads. We will keep you updated with this story on air and online as more information is presented. Live in Birmingham, Bryce Oslin, WVTM 13.